I'm throwing in the wonderment. Let's see what the next clue is going to be. Ooh, here it is. It says, you're almost there, just one piece left. No more riddles to start this quest. Use this spell when you're ready. Make sure to go slow and steady. And then at the bottom, what's this? Oh, there's a teleportation spell here as well.
The final chapter in this quest. And no riddle this time either.
Well, maybe the Wonder Gem thinks we've done enough wandering for one quest.
Interesting theory, Stampy. Since we're so close to finishing the wonderment, I wonder if the villagers are starting to wander yet.
Ah, good idea. Let's go and ask these two people over here. Hello? Can we ask you two some questions?
Sure, go ahead.
Have you been thinking about anything interesting lately? Maybe about how the world works?
Oh yeah. Last night, I was looking up into the stars, and it made me think to myself, I want some candy.
Almost. What about you? Maybe you imagined something spectacular.
Oh, earlier today, I had this crazy dream where I was surrounded by every kind of animal, and then I won $1 million. It was a great dream.
Oh, they're so almost wandering. It's just on the tip of their tongue. Come on, Keen, we better find that last wonderment quick. Read out that spell.
Okay. Teleport us, Maximus!
Whoop! Here we go!
Whoa!
Where did they go?
Where are we, Keen?
Look, a mountain!
For some reason, I'm feeling a little bit nervous about this mountain, but I can't quite put my finger on why. Oh well, I'm sure it's nothing.
Nervous? About a mountain? The hero of Wonderburg?
I'm not a hero, Keen. I'm just a cat.
Don't be modest, Stampy. We've had so many risky adventures and almost collected all the pieces of the Wonder Gem.
I guess being a cat and being a hero are similar things then. Come on, let's go and investigate the mountain. Come on, Keen. Come on, Barnaby.
All right, then.
Oh, wow, look, check this out.
Oh, my goodness.
Whoa. Well, looks like someone doesn't want us getting in.
Oh, look, there's some writing over here.
Read them out. What do they say?
The door says, if you wish to enter this door here, you'll need to fill these slots with blocks. It's clear. It won't be easy, I'm sure you've guessed. Every block must differ from the rest. A puzzle. Oh, I love puzzles.
First riddles and now puzzles.
The Wonder Gem always makes us wonder. No freebies. Now, let's put on our thinking caps and solve this puzzle.
This should be easy. The first block is blue. So if we need something different, let's get a different coloured block.
Great idea.
Oh, look. Here, brown. Perfect. We can use the brown and put it in here. So we now have blue and brown. And so we still need some more different blocks. And oh no, look, all of them are brown.
Oh, I don't think that's going to work.
No, me neither.
Let's think about what makes these blocks different from one another.
Okay, let's have a think. Oh, I know. What about this giant block over here?
Very good. Colour and size both make things very different.
Okay, well, I put the last piece in, so how about you put this one in, Keen? Go on, just pop it in over there.
This one? You want me to lift this one?
Yep, go on. It's completely different sizes to all of the other ones, so all you need to do is just lift this up and plump it down over there.
Okay. Whoa, it's so heavy.
Oh, come on, Keen. We have to get through this door.
If we just need a different size, can't we just use this tiny one?
Okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to do absolutely everything around here. God, you never do any hard work, do you, Keen? Anyway, let's go and put the third block into the puzzle. There we go.
Right, on to the last piece of the puzzle. The second block was different because it was a different colour. Then the third block was different because it had a different size. Now, let's think what will make the last block different.
But all these blocks look exactly the same.
What if we we think about the things that are different between me and you?
Okay, so I'm covered in very fashionable velvety soft fur, and you have a, to be honest, rather outdated, rough and scratchy beard. Oh, I know. How about what they feel like?
Oh, excellent. How things feel is called texture. That could work. Wait a second. Did you say outdated? It's vintage.
Look, Keen, come over here. You see this block here? This block feels really rough, just like your beard, but this one here is really smooth, like my fur. If I take this one, because this block is smooth, this should hopefully be different to all of the others. Let's put it in. Whoa, look at that, it worked. Come on, Keen, let's go.
Not so fast. I think I wrenched my back a bit trying to pick up that block.
That wasn't so bad. If they think that one little puzzle is going to stop us from finding the next wonderment, they got another thing coming.
Don't sound so sure. We don't know quite what's round the next corner, Stampy.
Yeah, but think of all of the things we've faced so far. I think we could face any obstacle now.
Oh, well, I hope so.
Look how deep this cave goes. We must be going right into the middle of the mountain now.
This is very spooky.
Whoa, what's this place? Check this out, Keen. Look, this whole cave is full of water. And what's that in the water?
Oh my goodness. They look like guardians.
Oh no, it's a pond full of guardians. I'm beginning to think this Wonder Gem doesn't like us very much.
Oh look, here's a sign. Let me read it. Absorption is the key to this puzzle.
Ah, the first clue that doesn't rhyme. How weird.
Oh, hang on. Oops. It continues on the back. Soak up the water and move along fuzzle. Fuzzle.
Fluzzle? Fluzzle? Fluzzle isn't even a word.
I guess there aren't a lot of words that rhyme with puzzle.
Muzzle? Nuzzle? I think the Wonder Gem is poking fun at us. How are we supposed to soak up all of this water? And with these guardians here as well.
Let's experiment with the materials we have. Look, there's a chest here.
Ah, what's inside?
We've got some sandstone, we've got some sponge, I've got some obsidian here, and cake as well.
Oh, I think I've just had an idea, Keen. I think I know how we can help solve the problem.
Go on.
Look, pass me that cake here.
Okay.
Nom 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 nom. Here we go.
Oh, so what problem did that solve?
It solved my hungry belly.
Well, now that you've been well fed, why don't we try each material and see what happens?
Okay, good idea. Let's pass me that obsidian.
Okay,
let's
here you go.
try this down first. I place this in the water and absolutely nothing happened. None of the water was soaked up.
Absorption means how much water something soaks up. This obsidian isn't very absorbent.
No, it's not. Oh well, no worries. What material do we have next?
Well, we could try, the sandstone. Here, try this.
Ah, this might work. So I'm going to put this down in the water just like I did with the obsidian, and let's see if it absorbs any of the water. I don't think it's working. No, look at that. The sandstone's just crumbling away and floating off.
Oh dear.
Okay, so the sandstone doesn't work. What materials do we have left?
Oh, well, we only have this sponge left. Here, try that.
Sponge? We're trying to get the wonderment, not do the dishes. Oh well, let's see whether it's going to work. Let's put this down here. Look, it worked.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Brilliant. Right, take some of this sponge and we can use this to try and get to the other side. Right, you
then.
stay back from me, Guardians, and I'll stay back
There
from
we go.
you. Capiche? Oh, this is working. This is working. We're absorbing up all of the water and getting to the other side.
Okay, but we've got to avoid those guardians.
I know they're getting really close, but they can't get us as long as we don't go in the water. And because this sponge is so absorbent, they can't get close to us. And there we go, we did it. On to the next chamber to try and find this wonderment. Oh, what's this through here? Look at this, Keen. Another puzzle. What is this place? Puzzle Mountain.
Oh, here's another clue.
What's going on? Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Now I remember why I'm so nervous in mountains. Some of them have lava inside. Quick, Keen, hurry up and read the clue and find out what we need to do.
Oh, righto. It says here, build a strong wall that doesn't melt and build in a hurry or else.
Or else? Or else what?
Or else we'll end up melting too. We need to find the strongest material possible, one that won't melt, for from all that lava.
Okay. We need to find out which one's strong. What about if we pick up the blocks and then drop them on the ground to see if they break?
I think we've tried picking up enough heavy things for one day.
Okay. Why don't we do an experiment with the materials just like we did before? We can test their strength by hitting them with a pickaxe and seeing how many hits it takes before they break. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea and a lot easier on my sore back, I might add.
Okay, so the longer it takes, the stronger the material is. Let's start over here with this cobblestone. So let's see how long it takes to destroy it. 1, 2. It only took 2 hits with the pickaxe to break the cobblestone.
Okay, well that's not very strong.
No, that won't do. That might melt in the lava. Okay, let's try this iron then. Iron's made of metal, so it should be really strong.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 hits of my pickaxe. That's twice as strong as the cobblestone.
Yeah, I still fear that the lava will melt the iron.
Yeah, I know. I don't feel safe either then. Right, let's try out this obsidian.
Wow, this is taking a long time. Obsidian's really tough. Oh my goodness.
Obsidian isn't very good at absorbing things, but it sure is strong. Okay, King, tell you what, let's use the obsidian to build a wall to try and stop the lava. And let's do it in a hurry. I'll throw you the obsidian, and I'm going to go and keep mining some. Let's go.
I'm going to start building. Oh, the lava. Oh, dear.
Here comes the lava. Hopefully our wall's going to be strong enough. Look how close it is. Barnaby, watch out for your tail
Barnaby,
there.
watch your tail. Oh my goodness.
Oh, here we go. It's right next to the wall.
Let's have a look.
This is the test. Is the obsidian going to melt or not? I think it's good. I think the wall's holding. Yes, we did it. We were able to solve the puzzle. Well done, everyone. Ah, dear. Just in time too, but we managed to hold back all of the lava. What's this?
Oh, a secret door. Spooky.
A mysterious, spooky entrance. Let's go in.
Okay.
Come on, Keen, the wonderment might be just through these doors. And this doesn't look like a wonderment.
That's because it's not. It's another puzzle.
Another one. Why am I not surprised?
Look, there's a sign over here. It says, "You are doing great. There's no doubt about that. Keep it up and turn this dog into a cat."
That would be easy. Come on, Keen, use one of your spells.
Well, I don't actually have a transfiguration spell on me.
Sure you do. Don't you remember that time when you turned that apple pie into a pumpkin pie? It was amazing.
You just ate the apple pie, so I made a pumpkin pie instead.
Yeah, no, now you say it, that does make sense. I do remember that.
And then you ate the pumpkin pie as well.
Well, yeah, I mean, I was really hungry and I hadn't had my cake for breakfast that day, and in a pinch, without cake, pie does fine.
No worries. Look, if you look closely, the statue is actually made of lots of smaller pieces.
Is it? Oh yeah, look, well spotted. Oh, you know what we could do? Is we could take it apart and then rearrange all of the pieces, and then we could make it into something completely different.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry, dog, but don't worry, we're gonna make you look even better. Into something much better than a dog. A cat. If I take away this tail, I can make this into one of the legs of the cat. What are you going to do to the face there, Keen?
Oh, I'm going to take this floppy ear off right here.
Yeah, cats do not have big floppy ears like this. We've got to make this tongue a bit smaller as well. This is too big for a cat, which is very unflattering. We did it! We managed to change the dog into a cat! Quite an improvement if you ask me.
Amazing.
Dear, I think it looks great. So by breaking apart all the little pieces, we made a new object. And whoa, what's it doing?
Oh my goodness.
Where's the cat going? It's floating up!
It's floating away.
There's a secret passage underneath it. Let's go down and investigate. Goodbye, cat!
Or should we say dog?
Well, we could combine them and say cog or dat, I guess.
Oh, I like dat. Goodbye, dat.
Goodbye, dat. Bye. Let's go.
Bye.
Woo!
Okay, whoa!
Oh no, this isn't another puzzle, is it? What's this?
Look at this place. Oh, it looks like an audio transmitting device. Huh.
Yeah, that's called a walkie-talkie.
Oh.
No puzzle here.
Just your old brother, best wizard / comedian Heinous. I took your advice, Keen, and did a little wondering myself.
Oh, isn't that wonderful?
Yeah, it is wonderful. You know what else is wonderful?
The fact that I got here first and took the wonderment for myself. And if you don't bring me all the other wonderments by tonight, I'm going to destroy this one and I'm going to break your precious wonder gem forever!
Uh-oh, that wasn't very wonderful. What would they look like under a microscope?
Oh, Stampy, that sounds like it's time for another game of solid, liquid, or gas!